my man Subziro, right? Subziro, what's popping? How you feeling? How you feeling today? How you feeling?
No, today's Sunday. I feel blessed.
You feel blessed, that's right. I feel blessed. I like that. I like that energy. Alright, so Subziro, I'm looking at your partner. So just so you know, Subziro is quite new to the Abuja music scene. He has conquered Enugu. Right, so he has conquered Enugu. He's the hood king in Enugu. Right, and here we are in Abuja looking to bring that vibe to this city. Right, looking to bring everything to this city, bring it hot to Abuja. So how are you finding music in Abuja so far?
I just moved into town.
Right.
So these are first really for we go around the city to myself. So let the people know that there's a new king in town.
Okay. E for energy.
Yeah.
Did you hear that? My man said there's a new king in town waiting to take over. I like that. I like that energy. I like that energy. So looking at your music, right? So how far have you been this music? How far have you been now?
It's been 16. It's been 10 years now.
Wow.
We've been singing.
Yeah.
Getting outside
Yeah.
to make sure we get the right song, the right fragrance, the right style. Everybody is actually, we want to be the best. We want to do the best. So we keep working consistently to deliver.
Alright, amazing. Yeah, so keep working consistently. Just so before I keep the next, let me just ask you, how would you talk about your evolution of sound, how your music has grown from 2016 now to 2025? Like how would you look at your growth from where you started from? I know you are not where you want to be yet, but you are not where you were. Right. So how would you explain that evolution, that growth from 2016 to now?
Okay, like I said earlier, consistency is the key. Because from 2016, we've been rapping and there's changes that changes happening. There's changes constant. And when you keep doing what you're doing, there's improvement. So my journey so far, there's 80% to 100% positively in the mood. And if you look back, my track there and now, there's just a difference. This one sounds more harder, more banger.
More banger,
so,
right.
yeah.
All right. You all heard that.